Seeing iPhone unavailable or security lockout on your iPhone. This usually happens after entering the wrong passcode too many times. In this video, I'll show you how to unlock iPhone unavailable and get back into your device. If you don't remember your Apple ID or password, launch Syncios Passcode Unlocker. Click to unlock the iPhone screen lock. And connect your iPhone to your PC via a USB cable. Next, download the firmware package. When it finishes, enter 6 zeros to confirm the unlocking. Wait for the unlocking. A moment later, your iPhone screen will be unlocked and restart. Now you can reaccess your device. If you have an unavailable iPhone, forget your iPhone screen passcode or Apple ID, Syncios Passcode Unlocker offers an easy way to remove it. Visit the link in the description to learn more.